Okay, I think this is what you were asking me about in the checkup. I found this, and for, hopefully you can see this, for the answers right here, up in the right-hand corner, it says show answers, and I just clicked on this and put it over here, and then like my answers pop up in red. So I don't know if you can't see this show answers into this form, but that's how I did it. Then you can go ahead and shut off. I do notice it won't let you type right on here, so that would be something I guess you would do on paper and then go back and look at your answers to see if they were correct or not. So I'm assuming that's what you meant. I know it did say to click on the icon, but that's what I clicked on to get to this in the first place. So I don't know if we're just seeing different things, but hopefully that's helpful. Also, I did have to contact the company yesterday, and they sent me something where you can kind of run like a little test to see if it's something, maybe something needs to be updated on your computer. I don't know what device you're using, but that might have something to do with it. I'm going to check and see if I can find that information. This is some other information I was looking for. I had a student yesterday that was having an issue scrolling, and it was suggested that they go to this website right here, www.apexvx.com, and then click down here, run system check, because it could be that something needs to be updated in your browser. So I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you're still having any problems. Thanks.